Hi everybody and Happy New Year! I'm so excited for this year. I don't know about you guys, but there's going to be lots of electronics coming your way and cosplay stuff. I mean, you can see I've already started working on my cosplay for Sun City this year, which I'm really excited about, but let's get to the point. So I've decided that so I don't overwhelm myself and you guys, I'm going to start releasing or announcing at least videos in sets of 4. So without further ado, I give to you the first 4 videos of 2018. We're going to start with how to solder. A lot of you guys have asked about this and I think it's a really important thing to know. Then we're going to go into the basic components that you get in electronics, just so that you get a little bit of feel for what everything does, so that once we get to the bigger things, you actually can understand how and why we're putting components where we are. Then we're going to teach you how to read circuit diagrams. This is going to be a little bit boring, but it is very important because if you then decide to go and do research on your own and you find the circuits, at least you know how to read it and then do it yourself. And then finally, the 4th video is going to be the basics of LEDs. I know there's a lot of tutorials out there on how to do this, but I have a little bit of background on this and I've seen a lot of people skip some steps, so I'll show you guys how to make your circuits last, because a lot of people that take shortcuts end up with their circuits blowing. And we don't want that to happen on the day of the con. That's very embarrassing. So as well as these 4 videos, I've got a bunch of other stuff that I personally am doing as my projects for this year, and I will keep you informed on those as they happen. But the 2 big ones that I've planned, and I'm so excited about this, is I'm going to be doing the Dominator from Psychopass, which is this really intricate gun which opens up and it assesses, so it talks to you about whether or not someone is a threat, and it glows blue. It's really cool. And then the other thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing May from Boku no Hero Academia, and she's an engineering chick, so she's got a lot of gadgets going on. She's got like a jetpack and all sorts of stuff, and I haven't decided exactly which of her accessories I'm going to do, but I'll probably at the very least make a loud hailer. So yeah, that's something to look forward to. And as I said, if you guys have anything that you want me to cover, please tell me and I might actually do it in the next 4 videos if you tell me soon enough. So please do that. Also like, share and subscribe. If you guys subscribe to my YouTube page, you're going to get things a lot faster than if you look on Facebook or Instagram. So please do that, and let's hope that this is a really great 2018. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys. All right, bye.